Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B, and y'all, I picked up some fabric and some notions, and I didn't really break the bank. So let's get into it. Well, this morning my daughter and I went to Hobby Lobby to find a fabric that I was looking for a client, and y'all know that was a bad idea. I got stuck over there and I found some things that I should have probably just left, but I didn't. So, I mean, since I bought the things, let me just share the things. All right. So, give me one moment. Okay. Okay, I think I've told you all before that when I purchase fabric off the boats in Hobby Lobby or Joann's or wherever, I take a picture of the end of the boat so that I know what the fabric is, the content, and whatnot. And that's exactly what I did. So if you see me looking down, I'm looking at the pictures that I took of this fabric so I can tell you exactly what it is, okay? So I'll talk about the fabric in the order that they are coming up on my phone. Well, first, let's get into these notions, okay? Because I was very surprised to find these notions in Hobby Lobby. I mean, not that they wouldn't have any of them, but what I found, I was kind of shocked. I made a denim jacket for my husband last summer, and I needed a separating zipper, and the one that I had on hand was not long enough. But I found these zippers, separating zippers, up to like 36 inches long, I believe. I may have even had 40 inches. I'm not sure. But this 36-inch zipper I found in Hobby Lobby. Yep, the full 36 inches. And these were on sale for any zippers over $350 were on sale for $199. And then the other zippers under like $349 and under are 99 cents. So I got that one, and then I got a 30-inch or maybe two 30 inches. Let's see. Yeah, two 30-inch zippers in black. So I got these for 99 cents because the price for these, no, I'm sorry. All of these were $199 because the 36-inch was $549, and then the 30 inches are $449. So all three of these were $199 each. And I also picked up more buttons, guys. I did pick up these blue buttons because I think they will look good on a nice denim piece, a top or a shirt or something like that. Did get these. And these buttons that I'm going to show you now are all $349 and below. So these were 99 cents. I also got these sets of buttons. I'm sorry, here's another one. So that was two of the big ones and two of the smaller ones. And then I picked up 3 sets of these because I just thought they were so cute. And I'm not sure if this button, the other button to this, is in the bag or not. I'll have to check. I didn't realize it if it was like this when I bought it. I really did not notice it, and I don't see it in the bag, but it could be stuck in one of these pieces of fabric. So I'll check that out later. The next set of buttons that I'm going to show you are all $350 and up. So they were $199 each. And I bought these pretty crystal buttons. These are just your regular circle shape. And these are like square shape, but the edges are cut off. Then I got these nice leopard ones. Yeah, I think those are awesome. And then I did buy another bag of black buttons. So now the moment you've all been waiting for is, what fabric did I pick up? I'm going to show you. This first one is labeled as a leopard print banga. it is 76% rayon, 21% nylon, and 3% spandex. And the weight of it is 714. And this is described as chocolate and brown. Now, guys, I have a skirt in my closet that is this fabric, and I didn't know what it was. I just knew it had a little stretch, but take a look at this. This is so nice. And I got 3 yards of this, and I'm thinking a skirt or like some leggings or a jacket. I'm really thinking about making a jacket with it. It's kind of thick. It reminds you of like a stretch denim, but not as thick. It is thin enough to wear like in even warm weather where it won't make you hot, but it does have good stretch. Only two-way stretch. But oh my God, y'all, you just really have to feel it to know what I'm talking about. But got 3 yards of that. Now, all of this fabric was on sale for 40% off. So I think I did pretty good. Okay. The next fabric is, it's a rib knit with hearts, 96% polyester, 4% spandex, and it is black and white. Now, isn't this gorgeous? These black and white hearts. And yes, it is stretchy. It's a rib knit. Now, what I was going to say is, I always make plans to make clothing for certain holidays or events. And I was talking to my daughter a couple of days ago, and I told her I'm just going to start making things way in advance, because just 2 months before is really not enough for me, because I know how I can procrastinate at times. So I'm going to start much earlier and make sure that I get the things done that I want to have done. So the next fabric is Victoria Jacquard. Now, I've never had any jacquard fabric, but I've heard people talk about it a lot, and I've always wondered what it looked like. So I'm not sure if it's the texture or the design that makes it jacquard. If you know, let me know what makes a fabric a jacquard. This is red heart, and it's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. And I thought this was like the cutest thing. It is another fabric with hearts on it, going in both directions. And I ask if it's the design that makes it a jacquard, because this is what I noticed about the fabric. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that, but it has these little kind of like etches in it, diamond shaped etches. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's really soft, very stretchy, and I think it would make a very nice dress for Valentine's Day next year. And whatever I'm going to make for Valentine's, for anything, actually, if I have the time and space to go ahead and make it, I'm just going to go ahead and make it. Like for my birthday, I'm going to go ahead and start on whatever that's going to be now. So I'm not pressed for time, and I'm not doing things last minute. So, but let me know what makes a jacquard a jacquard. Like if I had to go into a store and physically pick out a jacquard, what would I be looking for? Next one is this floral clip dot. It's navy and red, and it's 100% polyester. Now, this one was on clearance for $3 a yard, and I got 2 yards of this. And I think this is just so pretty. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. I probably should have went ahead and got 3, but I just went on and I let 2 do the trick. I don't even know what exactly I'm going to make with this. I had an idea. There's a pattern by McCall's that has like this organza-like overlay. If I can find that pattern, I'll put it here. But that pattern came to mind when I looked at this fabric, and I said, That might be pretty nice. So I have not worked with any lace before, like actually sewn any lace or anything like that. So I'm looking for things to practice with and get my hands, get my hands wet. Like they say, get your feet wet. I'm trying to get my hands wet. Okay. Well, these next fabrics, okay, let me just say, I need to throw these in the washer like right away because they have a smell on them and I don't know what it is. It's not really like a mildew smell, but it's a smell and it's not very pleasant. It's not just too loud or anything because like I can't smell it now. It's just when the fabric is up close to me, I can smell it. I don't know if it's because maybe they're wax print fabrics. I don't know. But this is the most African prints I've ever seen in Hobby Lobby at one time. Now, no, I did not get any of all of the fabrics, but what I saw in Hobby Lobby today was like, I was shocked. I've never seen that much African print at one time. So I'm very excited to share what I've gotten. And I've also seen this on some indie sellers sites as well. So to see it in the store was like a big plus to me because I could go ahead and grab it and not have to wait for it to ship to me. But let's see what we'll start with. Oh, I picked up the right fabric. So this is a blue and pink African print fabric. It is 100% cotton. Okay, blue and pink. And it's this right here. Yeah, but it is this right here. I think that's very lovely. Now, I only bought 2 yards of, yeah, that stinks. Only about 2 yards of the fabrics that I'm going to show you now. And it's because I don't really plan to make dresses with them. If I do, they will be short. They will not be long. But my first instinct was pencil skirts. And I love a good pencil skirt. If you have not figured that out already, I love pencil skirts. And these would make great pencil skirts with some basic tops. I'm a plain Jane girl. I don't have to have anything just real extravagant and like that. I'm about keeping it simple and keeping it basic. But that's what I saw when I saw these fabrics. So look out, pencil skirts, because I'm coming for you. The next one is a red and blue African print, 100% cotton. And look at that. Look at that. That is just so gorgeous and vibrant. Love it, love it, love it. I could probably get a pencil skirt and some little small top out of this. Who knows? We'll see. But I like that. And then this next one, the next fabric is a fabric that I'd also been eyeing on one of the indie African print fabric companies online. And I just hadn't made myself purchase it yet. So I did go ahead and get this one. And it is a ginkgo African print. It's purple and yellow, 100% cotton. And I hope I said that right. But who could resist this? I mean, this is just like everything. I love purple. It's one of my favorite colors. It's just very gorgeous and vibrant and bright. Now this one, I'm not calling this an African print, but hey, we do know that our tigers and lions and things like that, have their origin in Africa. This one is a tiger stripe, orange and black. This says this is made in Pakistan. It is 100% cotton. Now, y'all know how much I love leopard prints and how much leopard print I have. So this one is something very different for my wardrobe. It is tiger print fabric. And oh my God, how gorgeous is this? I can see myself making a pencil skirt, a top, a nice peplum top, or just, this is nice. That's all I can say. This is nice, and whatever I make with it is going to be the bomb. Now, how much did I pay for all of this? I will let you know that all of this fabric plus the notions that I purchased cost me less than $100. Okay, I spent less than $100. Now, the tiger print and the African print were $5.99 each. They were all 40% off. That red lace fabric that I showed you, it was on clearance for $3 a yard. The jacquard was $8.99 and both of the hearts were $7.99. And everything was 40% off except for the lace, which was already on clearance for $3 each. So I feel like I caught a very good deal. Like, I did well to purchase all the things that I purchased and purchased it under less than $100. So, yes, sewing can be expensive, but we don't always have to break the bank. It can be cheap if you look for your sales and your clearances and you shop that way. It will save you lots of money. Now, there are times when we have to just break down and pay full price for some nicer things or a little more for the quality of the things that we want. But in a nutshell, you can catch a lot of things on sale and on clearance and get a lot of bang for your buck. I know you've already seen the organization video, and I have had to purchase another box of 100 cake boards to wrap my fabric with, and this is just more fabric that has to be wrapped. Hopefully you decided to subscribe and hit that like button. Also turn on that notification bell below so that you'll know when I drop my next video. Until next time, keep sewing.